The people who grow the fastest with content aren't waiting for time to show up. They build systems that make it happen. My clients, the ones who grow the fastest, are not the ones working 24/7. Instead, they're building content creation systems and a rhythm that helps keep their content going even when life gets busy. That's the real difference between stalled growth and steady momentum. If you're ready to take this from idea to execution, I have a free 30-day YouTube channel launch kit that you can download in the link in the description box below. It's a complete system to help you script your videos. It's 30 days full of ideas and other resources to help you create 30 days worth of YouTube content. You can grab it using the link in the description box below. If you're a busy entrepreneur, a small business owner, or a content creator, and you're juggling a dozen things at once, this video is going to help turn that around. What I'm talking about in this video today are the exact strategies that I use with my own clients to keep their content machine running, even during their busiest season. So if you've ever felt like you're falling behind, this is going to help turn that around. Consistency doesn't come from finding time. It's going to come from making content a part of your process. The truth is, the secret to consistent content isn't working harder or squeezing more into your day, but it's going to come down to building smarter systems. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stay consistent even when you're busy, using 3 simple strategies. The first is to build a system. The second is to repurpose content. And the third is to simplify that process. Now, you might be wondering why posting content is important in the first place. And the answer is simple, is that it's going to help you grow your business to the next level. It's going to help you build trust and credibility by showing up with real valuable content that earns your ideal client's attention. And it's going to position you as the go-to person in your niche or your industry. The second is that it's going to help build long-term visibility. One strong piece of content can work for you months, even years, bringing in steady leads and reach. It's going to help lower costs and give you higher ROI. You don't need to spend on ads, but you can create free organic content that keeps you growing even when you're not paying. It's going to help you attract the right audience. When you're creating content in your niche for your business, it naturally draws in the type of people that resonate with your message, that are searching for answers. That means more qualified leads and less chasing. And lastly, it's going to help you build a community, an engaged audience that sticks around. And lastly, it's going to help amplify all the other work that you do, whether it's running ads, whether it's building an organic presence, and it's going to help make conversions easier, because it goes back to the first reason, that you're building trust and credibility through your content. Most people try to build their content around motivation or when they have time, but that's not how consistency is built. Consistency is going to happen when you remove the guesswork and you create a repeatable routine that runs whether you're in the mood or not. The first step is to create content pillars. These are the 3 to 5 key themes that you show up for every single week. This could be education, storytelling, behind the scenes, or thought leadership. When you have clear pillars, you're never wondering what you should post, because you already know. The second important thing is to batch your content. Don't try to create every single day. That's where most people burn out. Instead, block out a focused day or even a few hours to record multiple videos in a single session. You're going to write your post in one sitting. And the third thing is to automate your publishing. Use the scheduling tools within the apps to take content off of your plate so that it goes out, even when you're busy doing everything else. The goal here is to make content creation part of your business infrastructure, not something that you squeeze in. When you build that system, consistency becomes a natural byproduct. Repurpose instead of recreate. Here's what a lot of people overcomplicate content. They think being consistent means creating something brand new every single day. and it doesn't. The real secret is to repurpose strategically, not reinvent constantly. Think of every long-form piece of content as a hub, and from that hub, you're going to create multiple spokes of content that reach people in different ways. For example, a YouTube video like this is going to be turned into 3 to 4 short vertical clips for Reels, TikTok, or Shorts. You can also repurpose it for carousels and static posts that summarize the key point. You can then turn that video into an email that goes out to your list that goes deeper into one specific idea. You can then also turn it into a tweet or a short caption to spark conversation with your audience. This way, you're not creating more content, but you're multiplying what you already have. And don't underestimate everyday gold mine, client questions, DMs, voice notes, or even something you said casually during a call. That's real content because it's rooted in what people actually want to know. A practical example is this exact video you're watching right now will be clipped into 4 short videos and then turned into at least 2 written posts. That means one day of filming feeds multiple platforms for weeks. Shrink the scope, not the impact. One of the biggest reasons people fall off with content is not that they lack strategy, it's pressure. When we overthink, we aim for everything to be perfect, the perfect lighting, the perfect words, and then we end up not posting anything at all. But here's what needs to be different. You don't need to be perfect. A simple 10-minute talking head video recorded on your phone is better than no video at all. To help you start lowering that friction, you want to start using templates and shortcuts to help that process go faster and smoother. You can use Notion or Google Sheets for your content calendar. You can use Canva for quick graphics, and you can use a tool like Descript for your editing. These are all going to help you remove barriers that make content feel heavy and actually help you start showing up more. How we create 1 month of content in 3 days. On day 1, it's all about research and strategy. We look at what's trending, what questions our audience is asking, and what actually moves the needle for the business. Then we map out topics, outline the talking points, and script everything in a way that flows naturally. On day 2, we record everything. We record everything in one focused sprint. Instead of trying to film 1 video a day, which never works when life gets busy, we block out a few hours, we batch record everything, and then we get it done. That way there's no scrambling, no pressure, and it just flows a lot smoother. On day 3, we hand everything off to the editor to be clipped, captioned, and repurposed. 1 long form video then turns into multiple short clips, posts, carousels, and email content. By the end of that day, the entire month's content is ready to be scheduled. That's how you stay consistent without burning out, not by doing more every day, but by building a system that works for you. So let's bring it all together. If you want to stay consistent with your content, especially when you're busy, focus on these 3 things. Number 1, build a system. Number 2, repurpose strategically. And number 3, simplify your process. These 3 steps are exactly what I help my clients build in their business, so it helps keep them showing up without burning out or disappearing for weeks. And it's going to help you do the same. If you're ready to take this from an idea to execution, I have a 30-day free YouTube channel launch kit in the link in the description box below. It's a complete system to help you create 30 days worth of YouTube content. You can download it using the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.